wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best metal stamping kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Being able to identify lost or stolen property is always a good thing. With the Tekton 6610, you can put permanent markings on most metal, leather and cloth items, so that you'll be able to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that they're yours if you ever need to. This set comes in a hardwood case and is a budget-friendly option. However, note that the font is utilitarian, not decorative. At number 9, with the Horizon Group stmt DIY, you can embrace this age-old art form by creating fashionable earrings and charms that express your personal style. It has everything you need to get started, and for a price that's fine for newbies who might not stick with it. It's packaged for gift giving, but the instructions could be more in-depth, and all the pieces are quite small. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Metal Elements Punctuation is for those who wish to augment an alphanumeric set they already have with a few special characters. It offers everything from a $sign to an exclamation point, so that you can properly adorn the words and prices you've used. The case is labeled for identification and you get 9 punches in all. However, it doesn't include a colon. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal stamping kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Coral Cactus offers all you'll need in the way of ABCs and 1, 2, 3s to enhance brooches, bracelets and other adornments. Use it for monogramming, adding a bit of whimsy to your work, or punching heartwarming sentiments into copper, brass or even wood. You get 36 stamps in total, all in an electroplated silver color, but note that the letter O and number 0 are the same. Moving up our list to number 6, the impressart newsprint includes 7 bonus punctuations and features individual slots for each 2.5-inch stem to slide in and out of easily. It comes in a handy container that can go with you on your travels in case an artistic mood strikes. The slots are labeled for organization and the character is identified on each shaft. It includes tape for accurate alignment. Halfway up our list at number 5. To keep your fingers out of harm's way, the RMP Handwritten comes with a universal holder to keep the pieces in place while still giving you a clear view of the project at hand. The tools are comfortable and perfectly weighted for consistent impressions. It includes 50 blank tags and 10 guitar picks, along with a canvas storage pouch. At number 4, compact enough to tuck away in a kitchen drawer or the corner of your workbench, the impressart Juniper 3mm is available in both upper and lowercase characters. The corresponding character is etched on the front of each shaft, making them easily identifiable. It comes with a solid steel work surface and is ideal for novices. However, it's a bit pricey for what's included. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the RMP Calligraphic Uppercase is a fun choice for adding a personal touch to things such as jewelry and keepsakes. With this 3mm set of letters and symbols and a bit of imagination, you can create lasting impressions of any script you can dream up. It includes a convenient storage bag and a mallet with both round and flat heads. It's a good gift idea for crafters. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal stamping kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, whether you're an artistic professional or just enjoy a hobby with a bit of creativity to it, the romazone jewelry is a good choice. From bead chains to brass bars, it's got everything needed to set up a small business or make beautiful gifts in your spare time. It features premium quality pieces, a ball-peen hammer, and Arial font lettering. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the wokesi tool high hardness set is constructed of industrial-grade steel that's shock-resistant and resilient enough to last through years of getting hammered. This is great when you need small-diameter, fine-quality lettering that comes out crisp and clear every time. It's compact and easy to store, and there are plenty of sizes to choose from. Reverse punches are also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal stamping kits, or simply click beneath this video.